Hello everyone, welcome to our video on SEO tools you need to succeed. In today's digital landscape, having the right SEO tools is crucial for optimizing your website and improving your search engine rankings. These tools help you analyze your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, and track your progress over time. In this video, we'll explore the essential SEO tools that will help you enhance your online presence and drive more organic traffic to your website. What are SEO tools? SEO tools are software applications designed to help businesses and individuals optimize their websites for search engines. They provide insights into keyword research, backlink analysis, technical SEO audits, and more, helping you refine your SEO strategy and improve your website's visibility. Why are SEO tools important? SEO tools are important because they streamline the SEO process, providing actionable insights that help you make informed decisions about your website's optimization. By using these tools, you can identify opportunities for improvement, monitor your progress, and stay ahead of your competitors. Essential SEO tools for success. 1. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool that provides insights into your website's performance in search results. It helps you track search traffic, identify indexing issues, and optimize for search engine rankings. 2. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a powerful SEO tool that offers robust capabilities in backlink research, keyword analysis, and competitor insights. Its user-friendly dashboard makes it a favorite among marketers for boosting organic traffic and SEO performance. 3. SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that provides a versatile toolkit for SEO, PPC, social media, and content marketing. It helps businesses improve their online visibility by analyzing competitors' strategies and identifying top-ranking keywords. 4. Moz Pro. Moz Pro is a comprehensive SEO tool that provides deep insights into keyword rankings, site health, and link building opportunities. It's ideal for businesses looking to enhance their SEO strategy with actionable data. 5. Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is a tool that helps optimize content for better search engine rankings. It uses AI to analyze competitors' content and suggest improvements to your own content. SEO Tools Chart. SEO Tool Description Key Features. Google Search Console tracks website performance in search results. Performance reports, URL inspection, mobile usability insights. Ahrefs offers backlink research and keyword analysis. Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Content Gap Analysis. SEMrush all-in-one digital marketing platform. Traffic Analytics, on-page SEO checker, social media toolkit. Moz Pro provides insights into keyword rankings and site health. Keyword research, link building, site audits. Surfer SEO optimizes content for better rankings using AI. Content analysis, competitor insights, optimization suggestions. Example: using Ahrefs for keyword research. Let's say you're writing a blog post about how to grow tomatoes. Here's how you can use Ahrefs for keyword research. Keyword Explorer. Use Ahrefs Keyword Explorer to find relevant keywords like growing tomatoes and tomato gardening tips. Content Gap Analysis. Identify gaps in existing content related to tomato gardening and create content that fills those gaps. Competitor Analysis. Analyze competitors' backlinks and content strategies to understand how they rank for similar keywords. Tools and resources for SEO. Google Search Console. Essential for tracking website performance in search results. Ahrefs. Powerful for backlink research and keyword analysis. SEMrush. Comprehensive platform for digital marketing insights. Moz Pro. Ideal for keyword research and site audits. Surfer SEO. Useful for optimizing content with AI-driven insights. Measuring success with SEO tools. To measure the success of your SEO efforts using these tools, track metrics such as organic traffic, monitor the number of visitors coming from search engines, keyword rankings, track how high your pages rank for specific keywords, conversion rates, Measure the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action. Backlink acquisition. Monitor the number and quality of new backlinks. Conclusion. SEO tools are indispensable for any business or individual looking to improve their online presence. By leveraging these tools, you can refine your SEO strategy, enhance your website's visibility, and drive more organic traffic. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide to the SEO tools you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.